Hello, Merry Christmas. This is Belinder and I do videos on hair, wigs, DIYs and general hair care. And in today's video I'm going to be talking about beauty habits that cause hair damage. And before I get into the details of today's video, let me welcome my subscribers. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and if you're a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. Thank you very much for coming back. So that being said, let's get right into today's video. So the first thing on my list of beauty habit that causes hair damage is long hair extensions. Example, I'm guilty of this one, but not that guilty. You know, long hair extensions are beautiful. I'm not against it. It is very beautiful, but when you wear them for too long, it's going to cause pressure on the roots of your hair, and that will be damaging going on there. So long hair extension causes damage on our hair. Next one on my list is ponytail, puff. Anything that has to do with you packing all your hair up somewhere here is bad for the hair when it becomes a habit. Every once in a while it's cool, but when you do that every other day, packing your hair up in one position for a very long time, is going to cause stress, like pressure at the perimeter of the hair, and you're going to start experiencing hair loss at the front. That's when you feel like, my baby hair, my edges are gone. The puff gone them away, you understand? So the next beauty habit that causes hair damage is tight braids. Like when your hairstylist grip the root, take a look at this. You see, it's so free. When your hairstylist grips the roots like too tight, it's going to cause hair damage. It's the tension on the root is going to cause the hair to forcefully grow out, and when it's weak, it's going to break off. So that is not good for our hair. So another one is wet hairstyles. We tend to like comb our hair when it's wet, especially when we go for washing and setting. When they wash it, they want to like comb it until it's straight. The hair is at its very fragile state when it is wet. So you want to reduce the manipulation you put on your hair when it is wet, especially when you're relaxed. You want your hair to be dry first before you start detangling or combing it. When it's wet, it's a very delicate state for you to be styling it. Then it's going to either break. You can now start experiencing split ends, hair breakage. So styling your hair when it's wet is a no-no. It's a beauty habit that can cause your hair to be damaged. Another one is braid near the hairline. Like when you're braiding too close to the hairline. I see some people will pick, some hairstylists will pick every single strand of hair oh my goodness. Just let the baby hair sit. Leave this front hair alone. It's too fragile to carry this heavy weight. Just move the hair a little to the back, make some brush here or something. Just leave the edges alone, because when you braid these edges, the tension, the load, this thing is too heavy for these edges to carry. It's just like giving a child a heavy luggage to carry. It's not good. It's unfair. It's unfair to the baby hair. Come on now, treat them like babies. They are baby hair, so we should treat them like babies. We don't need to plait them. Just leave them, or better still, just lay them down with some edge control, some gel, some hair cream, water. Just lay it down. Don't plait this part of your hair, this front. Do not plait your edges. So that being said, the next on my list is too much styling. Like when you're changing your hair almost every day, you're manipulating your hair, you're changing the styles. Today you've packed it up in bun, tomorrow down, fringe. You know, you're just manipulating the hair, stressing it out. The more you're manipulating it, the more tension you are causing on your root, and the more it's going to get damaged. So you want to just let your hair be. You know, like if you have braids like myself, just let it pour down. Maybe in the night when you want to go to sleep, you can just put it in a bonnet and it's leaving. The morning, just let it pour down. And if you're going to pack it, don't let that tie be too tight, and don't pack it for too long, because you notice that this place there is tension going on there. So in order to avoid hair damage, let's not over style our hair. Just let it, if you wear one style, wear it for at least a while before you change it. Not like every single day, every single 2 days you're changing your hairstyle. It's going to damage the hair. And the next one on my list is dyeing or bleaching or hair coloring. Like when you take another color to like change the real color of your hair into another different color. That is the fastest way to damage your hair. I mean, it's okay to dye your hair every once in a while, but don't make it a habit. Like my title said, beauty habits that can cause hair damage. So when you make it a habit of dyeing your hair, this month is purple, the next month is yellow, the next month wine, you know, you're reducing the lifespan, you are reducing the life of that hair. You know what relaxer does to the hair? Our normal hair is coily, natural hair is coily. So when you relax it, when you put chemical on it, it kills those things that are holding it to be coily like that. It weakens those things. I don't know the scientific name for them. So when those things are weak and dead, then the coil just goes down and then the hair is straight. So you see, that's chemical. Relaxed hair, our hair is more prone to breaking than natural hair. So when you're relaxed already, and then you still go on to put more chemical on your hair, like coloring, dyeing it, you're causing even more damage to your hair. It's okay to color your hair, but don't let it be a habit. Maybe every once in a while, but not like regularly, back to back. You're coloring your hair. You're weakening the hair, and at the end of the day, you're going to start experiencing hair breakage. Your hair is going to break one way or the other when you put too much chemicals on the hair. It's going to break. Another thing on my list is over shampooing your hair. Some people have the habit of washing their hair every day. It's not healthy for the hair. You know what? The hair has its natural moisture, like this natural oil that comes out from our scalp. You know, the hair has its own natural moisture. So when you wash it, when you shampoo your hair every other day, every once in a while, it's cool. But when you do it back to back, like when you make it a habit, when it's a habit, then it's bad, because it's going to rip the hair off its natural moisture, leaving it to be dry. Excuse me. You don't want to always shampoo your hair back to back. No, just allow the natural moisture be there, because it does something. It helps the hair to grow. Those natural moisture that comes out from the scalp of our head, it has its function. So when you're always shampooing it, you're ripping it off, and it's going to leave your hair dry, and dry hair leads to hair breakage, split ends, and even dandruff. So you want to go light on the shampooing. Don't do it back to back. So guys, this is all I have for you in today's video. If you find it helpful in any way, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up. And if there is any of these beauty habits that you are guilty of, please let me know in the comment section, okay? And it's still Belinda, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, Merry Christmas.